rockets fast, scooters slow. Will we bounce? Nobody knows. Greater market starts to turn. Even Pickle has a look of concern. Green or red, it sways. Trading gods, hear my praise. Market, please don't die today. Hold the line, don't fade away.
Hold on. Hi, Lexon here, guys. What's up? She came in here and saw the guitar, and she's like, "What happened while I was gone?"
What did you guys do? I left for like 2 hours. Why do you
Yeah.
have that face? Why do you have that face?
I was kind of up to no good today. Oh, so yeah, I was gone for a little bit.
Oh my god. Wait, that's not AI, that's you.
Yeah, I was rocking out.
Matt.
I wasn't. I was rocking
You didn't
out.
wait for me?
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the stream. Where's my dog?
He's in the kennel.
When's he coming back?
He's back.
Oh.
He's downstairs. He has a prong collar on him now.
What's that?
Spike collar.
What's it do?
When you tug at it, it goes like this on him.
Really?
Yeah. I'll update you.
By the way, this is the winner of the song writing contest.
Yay! I love this song. Oh, okay, quick question. The guy hanging at the painting is here. Do we want Venus first? And you walk in the entry, or you want David? I prefer David not to be in the stairs. Like, the air is out.
Put David first then.
Yeah, first by the door, then Venus as like
Yeah.
the stair.
Yeah, you don't want people come down the stairs again like a face full of nuts.
Exactly.
Okay. We got a statue of David painting and a Venus de Milo painting.
And just FYI, I'm centering it to the wall and not to the stairs. It bothers me.
No, center it on the wall's fine.
Okay. Bye, guys.
All right, bye. Okay. All right, the market's sinking today, I feel like. Feels like it. Although liquidity pocket EST, man, this is the time I'm gonna sit out on it. I don't know. Ask her how she liked the sandwich. Oh, dude, we're still working on it, man. Any royalties for using your screenshot? All right, I will send you 10% of all revenue that screenshot generates. You'll be getting monthly checks, sir, every single month. I'll have to round down, so, you know, you'll get checks of 0. That sounds good, Dr. Scooter. You want 10 bucks? You might make 10 bucks off of that over time. All right. Excellent, guys. Welcome back to the afternoon stream. We are at lower hedge pressure. This is a bull setup if there ever was one. Okay, hold on one second. I gotta take some notes here. Guys, I'm gonna hit the like button. Thank you for joining the afternoon stream. The best live future trading stream on the planet. Okay, hold on one second. Let me go here. Not looking so hot today, guys. I don't know. Although it is liquidity pocket and it's EST to the long side. I feel like with this, I kind of want to just chill. I don't know. Oh, snap. Somebody today got banned not only from our futures giveaway contest, but they also got banned from Take Profit. Oh, ooh, that's a gift trying to cheat the contest. Just got a note from Slacks. Oh no, we catch you using a fake account trying to log into the contest and claim a free account with a fake YouTube account. We ban you from our giveaways and we get the prop firm to ban you. So, yikes. Yeah, so that's how much pull we got with prop firms. Nope. It was the last winner of the 150K TPT from earlier. So it gets recycled back to the community, but yeah. So we'll make sure that your IP address and your social security number can't open an account ever again with that prop firm. So good luck. Yeah, don't try to cheat me. I'll fuck your life up. The prop space. There you go. I'm not gonna tell you who it is, but I just looked on the sheet. Man, hello. Hold on, guys. Hey, come on in. Yeah, come on in. The housekeeper's in here, so I'm gonna turn the camera off and turn the sound off so you guys don't have to hear it for a little bit. No, it wasn't Leaf. Leaf won the lifetime giveaway. No, that was a lifetime. Hey guys, right now I'm just sitting out. I'm chilling. I'm waiting for something better to happen. And that's it. No trades until my A+ is today. This is an EST setup, but I'm gonna wait and do nothing. Yeah, it wasn't Leaf. Leaf's a good boy. But what happens is somebody tries to log in and into multiple YouTube accounts and enter the giveaway with multiple entries. Oh no, yeah. Slacks has become an expert at busting people on this. We've cleaned up a lot. And the best part is that our prop partners don't like you scamming them either. If you're going to scam us, you're probably going to scam them, and it's bad for their business. That's why we got them to agree. Listen, they listened to me when I said that. I literally said that. If they're going to scam us, they're going to scam you. They're going to go out, try to get a payout. They're not going to get it. They're going to be pissed, and they're going to complain on social media that you denied their payout and make you look bad. The props are like, holy shit, you're right. Okay, well, let us know if they scam you, and we'll take your word for it. And we'll remove them from our system permanently. They're like, thanks, that's a great idea, actually. Hugo lost it all, shorting the 95s at one point. Yeah, so anyways. Y'all gotta be honest with each other. Y'all don't want people stealing from y'all, so we have to look out for a way to do it. We figured out a way to do it, so. People get sloppy. Oh, hold on, I gotta... This person, we finally caught this person. They've actually scammed us 2 other times, so... But since we implemented our system, now we're catching the people. Bum, 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 bum. Yeah, unfortunately, people are just... That's gonna be bad for prop firm, but these are people who are gonna try to scam the prop firms too. Okay, for now, I'm just waiting for a possible dump if there is one. Not trading right now. And the housekeeper's here, so I'm it might get noisy in a little bit. Gotta get those sandwich crumbs vacuum. There's a lot of them, right? You got the lifetime. It's $1,500 off. Oh, excellent. Yeah. So right now we're doing $1,500 off of lifetime for everybody in the community as a thank you to all the community growth. We don't do the discount a lot. It's usually our Black Friday sale and maybe one other time a year. But this time I told that everybody would get a prize if you participated in the giveaway, you know, bonanzas, and you participate in the songwriting contest. So I told everybody we'll do the $1,500 off lifetime Black Friday deal just early. We'll probably do it again for Black Friday. But yeah, $1,500 off is lifetime access to the platform, lifetime access to the tools, anything we ever make, all the boot camps, everything's free, yeah, at that point. It comes out to be $2,500 for the software, for the Discord access for life, for bootcamp access for life, and everything. It covers everything but data feeds. You still have to always pay data feeds. That goes to the exchange, unfortunately. It's normally $4,000 for the software, full price. It's all in one, so no monthly fee anymore. Looks like it's trying to rally, baby. I like it. Market's certainly not dumping today. That's one thing. Let me see if I got another DOM I want to trade. This one. Okay, so if I do anything else, it's going to be on this one account. This one has some room to move. A little account inventory management here. That's part of my system, is that I don't copy trade. So I'm always trying to figure out, like, okay, where I can put my risk today. I don't have a lot of room to move, and all these are all pretty much, for the most part, close. Well, I could do some, I guess I can do some stuff here. Yes, please. I'm gonna turn the sound off for like a minute, guys. It'd be crazy if this liquidity pocket works like 10 times in a row, man. I got the housekeeper's vacuuming, so it's just loud. I have them, and she's behind me, so I just, for privacy, I just turned the camera off. I'm so bummed, man. I don't get that A+ setup today. The code is lifetime 2500. Man, what a crazy day, man. I think people are trying to chase either direction. This are getting fucked pretty hard. Watching it from the sidelines. Oops, wrong button. And we're back. Hold on. She's done. Oh, it smells clean in here. Dude, LP 10 out of 10 today. What the hell is going on? This is crazy. Dude. God, having fun with this one today. And I get my A+s, dang. Well, the S&P A+s have been good. I could have been scalping this all day with S&P also, but I just wasn't. VIX is range bound, so is the market. Oh yeah, 100%. Oh yeah. Dude, that's so crazy how it's ended up like this. Developing rocket scooter in the calculations based off fluid dynamics. Tried modeling markets based on what dynamics? Like Navier-Stokes for equations. You're using like, basically you're trying to find like essentially, well, depends on which method you use. Like you can do like bulk fluid flow or like essentially Eulerian or Lagrangian style. Which kind of like, which avenue did you take? Do you analyze like an individual particle or like a bulk system? How did you do it? Here's I used to teach fluid dynamics. University of Houston. Lagrangian style, let's go. I never really used any fluid dynamic type modeling. The mathematics are very something moving through something or something moving against something is a common mathematical approach to everything from electricity to friction to diffusion. Like, it's the same math, right? The same equations are pretty much the same in any type of modeling of bulk flow or flux of something inside of something else. And so if you're analyzing like market flow, kind of a cool way to do it. Bulk system, you're trying to find some sort of predictability in the chaotic flow. Yeah. So essentially, yeah, I see where you're going with that. And so could you see that there's some kind of like, that essentially the noise of the market is just turbulence in a bulk flow? An example being that, you know, in a pipe, water flows. Now, again, it's been 20 something years since I've taught this, but you know, the system is going this way. Inside of the system, each individual particle, if you're doing particle, it could be anywhere and it can move wherever. There's a probability that the particle is somewhere distributed along this path, like this little curve here. In a turbulent flow, you're basically analyzing this as turbulence inside of a bulk. There's like a bulk flow and there's turbulence inside of it, right? Kind of what you're, it's kind of a cool approach, like a statistical sort of modeling. And I like it. I think it's pretty cool. Did you get anywhere with it? I ultimately started thinking that like the market didn't have like a bulk flow. That was the hardest part. I would say that when I was trying to find out if the market had a pattern, the only really bulk pattern in the market is that it's buoyant. Market has some buoyancy to it. It floats up, you know, 2% a year. It's all exponential based on inflation. So that's the bulk system. Everything else inside of it's noise. So consistently, the market goes up 2% a year, give or take. The rate of inflation is the rate of inflation of the market as well. Other than that, consistently, like that would be the flow. Like up or down in shorter bursts, I think that's like turbulence inside of turbulence. Up for 2 weeks is turbulent, down for 2 weeks, that's the turbulence of the overall up market. Then when you zoom in on that upside and downside, it's turbulent on the way up and turbulent on the way down. So it's like fractal levels of turbulence inside of turbulence inside of turbulence, you know. That'd be very cool to see if you came up with any headway there. You said, yeah, that's exactly where you were going. To get much for manage to model and simulate the markets, but never manage to predict or extrapolate financial markets. Yeah. The only consistent flow of the market is that over time, the market does this. Over time. Everything goes up 2% in value a year, so does the stock market. This is inflation. And so if you zoom in on this, you know, there's times in the market like dips and dives. It has crashes along the way. If you zoom in on these crashes, it's like, okay, market is like up or down on a monthly chart like this, then up or down on the monthly chart like this. And you zoom in on this down over here, and then that upward path is like this, and that downward path is like this. So it's like fractal layers of noise. And therefore, like my conclusion was that the stock market is nothing but noise on all time frames. And the only pattern is that stock market goes up. And can we predict any kind of like turbulence inside of it? Like, does it, if it flows too far away from the mean, will it like have a higher probability of reverting to mean and things like that, which is like analyzing like an individual particle inside of a turbulent flow regime. You can say like, where's the probability this particle is going to be in the middle? Okay, that's reverting to like the moving average or the VWAP. That's the middle. Is the particle just floating around, and does it have a probability of being in the middle, sort of thing? That's a pretty cool approach. And statistical approaches to markets have sort of always leaned in the direction of looking at the randomness and the kind of random oscillations of how far price deviates from something it's tracking or some average or something. And I've seen people that have made models like that, or have said they made models like that, and said they've had success with it. So So if you're taking that path, it's a pretty cool, you know, you're analyzing a noisy system for some kind of, you know, behavior. Can you find some behavior in that you can analyze and guess? Not a terrible thing to do. That's pretty cool that you took that path. What's funny is that you get some of like the Furu Guru kids online, like trying to be like, buck up to me sometimes or whatever. I'm like, dude, I was fucking teaching fluid dynamics at a university when you were still shitting your pants as a 5-year-old. They don't know how far around the block I've been. I've been so far around the block in life. I've tried everything, done everything, seen everything. Not received the fund and X account you won the giveaway. Profit, it usually takes a day or two, and you get with Slacks to get it. Since we give away so many accounts per month, sometimes it takes them a day or so to get to it. I should watch the movie Pi. I've seen it. Darren Aronofsky's first film. His first major film. Yeah, dude, that movie was dope. He's the guy that did The Fountain and Requiem for a Dream. I was freaking crazy. I saw that like in high school. Yeah, that's so funny that Wicked said that. Matt's forgotten more about trading than these kids will ever learn. That is incredible, man. I'm gonna quote you on that. I love that saying. That's pretty true. That's a cool, I like that. Man, I've forgotten more than anybody will ever learn. Dude, you guys, I feel like when the market just moves in one direction and you reverse it all day today, that has been paying out. Or I feel like the only people that have lost have seen the opportunity and jumped in late. This is an example of how punished you get when you jump into a trend. Today is a big reality check on that. Matt, quote me on this. Matt sucks. Shut up, Tyler. People aren't supposed to know that. It's our secret. I trusted you with that info. Thought we were bros, bro. Market looking dead-ish today. I want to believe that the market's going to die today, so I don't know. According to your PS3, you watched Pi 23 times. That explains a lot, man. Andrew's just like me, dude. He's into weird, cool, nerdy stuff like that. I said trading profits are small compared versus other income. I was talking about prop firm trading profits. Yeah. We were talking about prop firms. People ask me like why I'm doing prop firms. I'm like, I'm not in prop firms for the money. I'm in prop firms to show off that I can beat them. And the payouts and all that in general are small compared to my other income. And then in general, relatively speaking, day trading, when I said that, is I was saying I'm not day trading, putting millions of dollars at risk in day trading. That's the point I was making that conversation. Like, there's this romanticized version that a day trader is going to have $1 million trading account and be risking $100,000 bets and making hundreds of thousands of dollars a day. And that's just, I don't know, some fake romanticized version of what's not really possible. Nobody in their right mind would risk that much money once they start making it. I learned very quickly how much money can vaporize in the stock market. Once I started making my first millions, I started day trading with it, and it was up and down very rapidly the bigger you go. And I started realizing there's smarter things to do with your money at that level. If I want to make $1 million bucks, give me 50,000, I'll make $1 million with it. I don't want to put in $1 million and risk $1 million to make $1 million. I'd rather put $1 million in to make 100K passive on it. That's why I was trying to drive that point home. Day trading in general, I make a lot of money day trading. I wasn't trying to downplay that at all. But like I said, I have 18 streams of revenue now. And we're building 3 more. So instead of piling your risk on one stream of revenue, that's all your eggs in one basket. I've diversified and it's all parallel as I get bigger. I built Rocket Scooter, I built Rocket Place. That's 2 streams, you know, already. We thought about doing rental properties and we've talked ourselves out of that. Instead, we're going commercial, which I guess is a rental property, but not a residential. I don't see there being a lot of money in residential property for the hassle. My friends that do it, they make something, but like my goal in the next 5 years is to be building like entire office building strip centers and renting them out to businesses. You know. Yeah, like trade with a fraction of your money. Like no person out there is going to put all their eggs into one basket as the sole source of income. That's like a romanticized thing that guru traders tell you guys. I make millions of dollars a year as a day trader. If they don't do anything else, they're stupid. That's it. That's just a dumb managing of money. You know, if you're not like rich, you can get rich by gambling. You get wealthy by diversifying. There's different levels of this game. So yeah. As an example, right? We have a talented family member who's a very talented baker that wants to own a boba shop. She works her ass up. Everything she does, she's extremely talented at. She's college age, right? She just graduated college. Doesn't have, you know, $250,000 to open a business. I do. She's gonna work her ass off. She believes in herself, and I believe in her, right? All I can do is invest in her, and whatever she's gonna do is gonna make her money and me money. So like when I think of that, my somebody's potential is infinitely more valuable. Because what if I get on the ground floor of someone I believe in and they turn into this empire? And all of a sudden, I don't have to do any work except for believe in somebody, right? And risk some capital. That shit could get vaporized in a fucking Nasdaq trade in 5 minutes. And there you go. Or I can double the money. But how about 100x, right? The opportunity could be, what if we build a concept that goes national? You know what I'm saying? Like, so I think I start thinking like that, and I'm taking bites out of the world that way. rather than. So I always tell people, you know, as a surprise, I can make millions of dollars a year as a trader, putting just 50K, 100K range into an account, making 50 to 100K at a time, taking it out and then leaving it small. If you look at people's, like, there's Rips also has a similar mindset. You don't see him out there, even though Rips is, you know, going out there and buying a Ferrari with cash. He posts his broker statement. He's not sitting there trying to make 10, 20, 30 million dollars in a week trading, right? If you're at that level of money, anybody will tell you that's too risky for that level of money. Big money like that, you need to turn to passive income and be smart with it. Yeah. So like trading was my, like, pretty much my first entrepreneurial endeavor. It does very well. And then as I started making money and risking more in the market, I realized you can't scale this infinitely. Sure, you can go start a hedge fund or something, and then that's all you do. But I started like trying to find other ways to build wealth. And that's why I built the trading platform. That's why I built Rocketplace, you know. Now Rocketplace is a machine that just keeps growing. Every day I look at it, it's making more money. Like, I don't have to do anything. A bunch of hardworking entrepreneurs running their business on Rocketplace, making me money with their hard work. And so like I started thinking of like investing that way, in a very classical sense, and believing in people and investing in people, good products, you know, whatever it is they're doing. Anyways. How many contracts can you do before it starts to break down? Like I was saying on chat earlier today, I started feeling like when I was in positions of like 50, 30, 50 or higher, I started feeling like the market stopped really like cutting me favors. Like I actually felt like the market was purposefully squeezing me. Now this is earlier in my career. And I always had this like sort of paranoia that someone on the other side of the trade knew they were on the other side of my trade. And because of that, were purposefully like, you know, like whoever I traded against was on the other side of my trade. Specifically, you know, nobody's going to see you're 2 or 3 contracts long. You're one part of some hedge funds 500 contracts short. No, you're not seen. But if you're out there, you know, buying larger than the bid and ask, that the market's going to start trying to like move a little bit against you. It's called me paranoia, but it always felt like when I would buy a couple of contracts, I could just sit there and the market would bounce and go. But if I bought a bigger lot, the market would sort of hover and then press lower to try to like shake me. And maybe that's just, like I said, maybe that's just me seeing patterns in the noise, but I always felt like I was no longer invisible. Song that came in 4th place would have been Maybe I'm Wrong from the Right Place. I think that was the one. Well, Maybe I'm Wrong by Tech Trader. Was it My Broker? Yeah, it could be My Broker. Maybe it's just paranoia, right? Maybe I'm just being fearful for no reason. Really could be anything. Wow, look at this. Dude, the same freaking trade all day, every day. Look at this crap. All day, every day, man. I got sour grapes sitting here. Man, there's another 60 points. I could have nabbed some of that. I was waiting for A pluses though. I was tired of the hedge pressure thing. Would have been kind of nice. Resilience is still negative, man. It's like this market's flipping bullish, man. But every time it's gone up, it's like gone up and come down and gone up and come down. I wonder if it's gonna close the trap in there later. I think today it might actually just like freaking blast up and stay here and then slam back down in here in like the last hour or something. Who freaking knows? That's a nice little candle there. You feeling that FOMO? Oh yeah. Dude, what a day. How many people are shorting this? Like, dude, it is all over the place today. What a freaking, like, crazy day, right? It's gonna be up. What do y'all think? Are we just market dying today? What's the answer? I'm completely blown away, man, by this craziness. It's like no matter what you do, it's not a losing choice as long as you do it from the edge. It's freaking crazy. Watch this just be like the final top and the market just like freaking dies from here. I don't know, this kind of pattern is pretty bullish though, I would say on the hourly charts. I've seen this before. This is usually pretty bullish. It's finding support, and this might actually be a big ass green into the end of the day. So don't sleep on this and think it's gonna cycle all day. And the market is starting to pick up. This is all short squeezing too, so people are still buying. Dude, what a day, man. This market hates all of y'all. I know. The name of the first place song was Maybe I'm Wrong by Tech Trader. Somebody says, find my best local business broker, buy out small businesses from baby boomer owners that net over $1 million, manage the managers, diversify, make millions. That's actually really smart. Basically like retirees that have like a good cash cow that just needs to keep going. And then I just basically maintain the business and keep paying the staff. Smart. Yeah, like don't get me wrong, like day trading, I'm extremely good at day trading. I'm extremely profitable at it. Day trading makes a significant amount of money. But like if you're like, I'm going to become a day trader and make 20, 30 million a year, unless you're running a hedge fund, you ain't sitting there in your underwear making 20 or 30 million dollars a year day trading in your skivvies. You can't really scale a single effort account to that wide of a degree. You're either making big bets and single things, or you're managing hundreds of things solo with that amount of capital. You know, so it's like physically impossible to scale like that because there's only one you. So you need a team of people managing the money. You know, okay, you're going to take equities, you're going to take futures, or you're going to take tech, you're going to take this. You know, you're not putting like $5 million bets in Apple and $2 million bets and whatever, and then making day trading money off it. And you're certainly not buying 1,000 contracts at a time trading futures. You know, if you buy 10 contracts at a time, you're making about 10 to 20K a day up or down. You're not making $1 million a day. Scale it that way. You want to buy 100 contracts, you're making 200K a day. You buy 1,000 contracts, you make 2 million a day. You're trading 1,000 contracts, good luck. You're the entire single minute of the whole candle, the NASDAQ, you know? So like the idea is that what's possible in day trading solo, you're putting 1,000 contracts into one investment. how much notional value that is. Jesus Christ, you know. You're talking 30,000 margin requirement per contract. 30,000 times 1,000. You're throwing 30 million at the trade. Day trading that much. One basket, 30 million bucks. You know what you can do with 30 million? Turn into a machine that makes you, 50 to 100 million a year with no effort. That's how I like thinking about it like that. Hey, your screen will look like mine. Well, if you want two different side-by-side charts, you can click. Oops, that's not the button you click. That's not the button you click either. You click this button right here and you can organize your charts any way that you want. Make sure you have liquidity map indicator added here. And then make sure you have resilience indicator added here at the bottom. And mine is somewhat disappeared. So let me add it back on there. I started to realize once you're making like 5 million a year as a trader, you probably got a team of people working for you and you're trading different things at once. And you're being more of like controlling your risk is more important than scalping, and you're more of like more protective of your assets, I would say. What is MFFU going to do for their company update tomorrow? Oh, I'm the new CEO. You didn't hear? Matt and I are co-CEOs, the two Matts who want to confuse everybody. So that's what's happening. When they say Matt, we'll both chime in and go, yes. Duh. Can make about $1 million or so a year in the cycles, right? Yeah, that's entirely possible. As a day trader, aspire to make a couple million a year with very moderate risk. If you're worth $10 million and you're trying to make like $1 million a year as a day trader, that's a pretty good ratio. If you're worth 10 million, you're trying to make 10 million a year as a day trader, you're allocating your capital all wrong. That's not. But that's just my opinion. If they take away consistency on evals, like one day pass, oh, like to compete with funded next, damn, that'd be crazy. Maybe so. This market's trying to rally. I don't think it's going to sell off today, guys. Resilience is still negative, which is not really good for this gap fill case or the continuation case. It very much could die into close, so we should see. We shall see. Nasdaq looking to fill yesterday's close for the 4th time. At least the 3rd time today. Why is it so hot in here? Did you turn off the light? Yep, I don't think the shorts are getting the retracement they want today. This nice little V could end up way up here today, so. I'm almost sad that I don't have anything on the table though. Res is starting to move. Yeah, this is going to confirm the move up. It's looking like it's wanting to just burp all the way up here today. I don't think we're going to hit this and turn off. Yeah. What do you guys think? What are my thoughts on algo trading? Have you considered building one myself? Yeah, so a friend of mine and I have contemplated automating some of these rocket scooter setups for my own personal account. That's one thing I will be like investigating like sometime soon. We met and talked earlier in the summer actually about it. But it'd be like for personal automation, just for personal use. Like we wouldn't be able to do it for you guys because it's the exchange won't let us do any kind of algorithmic automated trading. It's not really allowed through our data package agreement with the exchanges. A plan right now? No plan. No plan. I was waiting for some A+ setups down at the bottom. I've scalped this long enough all day that, you know, there was your BLU setup on NASDAQ and the one on S&P as well. I've taken the same trade all day. I didn't take any of this. I sort of just been chilling and watching it. Oh. How much you guys want to bet it just ranges all afternoon? I don't know. That's feeling a little squeezy though. I don't know. What's the best ETF account? I would say the static is probably the best one because the easiest, like to pass. Statics are good if you get a good static. Yeah, I think a strong rally end of the day, very possible, right? Dude, I was so excited to see this drop through and hit those lower zones. Man, I was super excited. Ranging is higher probability. I think you're probably right, dude. If there's a breakout, it's like the last 10 or 20 minutes of the day or something. Oh, yeah. 100%. I can see that. This range was just like crazy. I'm sure bears are getting excited to try to like see a market crash, but I think we see a better sort of view of this. Being very bullish. Question, who's shorting from here? And who's longing from here? That's my next question. What's the general thought from here? Or most of you guys just chilling and sitting out? Resilience is negative and we're sitting above the at the top of the gap fill where this is all considered resistance. Or you need to see the stocks moving to get some support in the close. One handle Hugo. Steven gave you the boot. out for one handle. Well, I told you, man. You gotta get your confidence up. I told you you were gonna get fired, man. Wait, what? Wait, what's his logo? Hold on. You guys are nuts. That's so funny. Hugo Ball. Oh man, that's funny. Out for one handle, in for two handles. That's some A plus trading there, Hugo. Nasdaq trying to press highs for the breakout. One of my accounts is bigger because two of my accounts I'm pushing hard to get 100K payouts from Funded Next just to show off 100K payout. So those I'm trading extremely hard. They're like the no DLL legacy accounts. So the goal is to push them hard to get 100,000, and that's literally just to show off like a 100K payout. That's the goal. So I'm trading them with like 5 to 10 contracts rather than my normal, you know, 1 to 3. I'm gonna make the announcement about to Beat the Beast. Yeah, we already kind of made the announcement. So tomorrow, Beat the Beast with ETF. If you buy an account and you get $500 in verified return, instead of it passing like it used to be, they enter you to a raffle to give away stuff, like a lot of free stuff. Like they haven't announced what the prizes will be, but this Beat the Beast is a little different. It's a raffle, so you can get up to 5 accounts. Our code actually works now for Beat the Beast, so you can actually use our code, which is good. And then any fresh account that you get with them, you get to the $500 target, then they enter you into a big old raffle. Up to 5, you can enter 5 times. The Beat the Beast is an event that they do to have you basically get to your profit target. Usually if you get to, like, it's only $500, so if you make $500, you win. Used to, in the last Beat the Beast, it was if you got to 500, you pass the account and go funded. This time it's a raffle where they're giving away prizes. Ooh, this is trying to pop. It's looking like it. It's looking solid. That tick chart's looking yummy. Look at that. Higher, higher, higher. It's pressing. Ooh, it's gonna pump. It's gonna squeeze out all those bears. Make them feel bad. This high consolidation. 24,900 in a single candle. Ruin everybody's day. Or 24/7, in a single candle. Whatever is gonna happen, guys, it's gonna try to ruin your day from here. I say it's unpredictable. I have no gauge on this market today. Not at this point. Bad bears, bad. Matt, stop it. I know, right? I'll be good. I'll behave. Trying to hold that open. Negative res. Res is getting better though in S&P though. It's getting slightly better. Bears are people too. Are they? Here's the big green fuck you candle coming out of nowhere. Squeeze all the bears. Squeeze all the bulls. Or maybe this maybe it's a red FU candle. All I can say is that I have no opinion one way or I'm like the neutral guys from Futurama. We have no opinion one way or the other. The VIX being where it is, man, it's placed in a weird spot. Anything can happen from here. So y'all be careful. The old squeeze and tease. Give it the old dick twist. We get a dump song. Y'all want to hear a dump song? I want some A+ setups. I'll play a dump song. Okay. All right, I got you.
I'm watching the tickers teasing me slow. The curve's gotta sway like it's putting on a show. Futures in the mirror looking hotter than gold. But my nails too bold. Please go down on me. Take me lower, let it be. I'm too high, I can't breathe. Please go down on me. Hair's precious hanging.
This is called Please Go Down on Me by Tech Trader.
I'm caught in the middle of a dangerous line. I need a dip, I need that slide. Don't leave me
And it's building up for that pop. Looks like it. Look at this. Please get down on me.
less than zero. Supports my
Watch this.
only hero. Please go down on me.
I feel like that's more likely.
Take me lower, let it be. I'm too high, I'm too high, I can't breathe. Please go down on me.
All night. Europe session, Asia session, America session. Didn't have anything
Shorts off begging, but I'm stuck in the long.
but hate for the 67,
Doing me wrong.
16 area.
I'm losing control. Gotta find my sweet
One handle Hugo, man, that's great. Also thinking about that. Am I playing any market close trades? Not from here. I don't see anything. S&P is a little overbought relative to the stocks, being that we've filled yesterday's gap with negative resilience. Doesn't mean it's going to sell off, but it means it is considered overbought. I wouldn't chase it from here personally,
I'm too
but it does look like it's going to pop higher.
I can't breathe. Please go down on me. Please go down on me. Take me lower, let it be. I'm too high.
I short the 95s. That's it. That's the only way to do it. What I thought was funny, where it was like, did you short the 95.5s? Did you short the 94s? Did you short the 93s? It's like, what's the actual signal there? Each number, it was different each time we said it. What is the what was the entry signal? Overbought coming in with the RSI talk. Market, please go down on me. Actually, I got some songs in the playlist. Songs that didn't make it to the finals. Let's set up some playlist songs. Hold on. Did you guys know we had another Whoosh fan song?
A fan will whisper secrets in the dark, blowing candles, leaving just a spark. Sharks and arrows spinning wild. Fantasize will reconcile. Do we go or do we stay? The fan won't tell its
Today's been a crazy good day. Oh, yeah, today's been a really good day.
on the fan. It's on the air. Turn
There's the pop. I knew it. I knew it.
on the line. The fan decides. No, yours, not mine.
And just because the market hates you, here's the big red candle.
We're on our knees. The candles flicker, then they're gone. The
This is a textbook day for scalpers, man. Buying dip, shorting pops, buying dip, shorting pops. And I mean, this range trade, I bet you, has just made a lot of you guys very happy. Job a good trading day today, I'd say. Keith Sandleton, just pass yours to Eva on your birthday, bro. Happy birthday. Let's go. And you got pass one, get one too. There you go. That's even better. If you guys want, I can enter a long position for you guys and then close it out. That way the market does rally. Remember, the market always rallies whenever I do close it out. That's kind of a trend here. Whenever Matt pussies out of a long, that's usually the minute before it rallies. So I can do that for y'all if you want. I'll make sure I long really big to put the pressure on. I'll do 5 and then I'll dump it all at a $200 loss, and then you guys get 20 handles. I'll mess up your short. Okay, I'll short as well. I'll do both at the same time. That way that whatever direction the market moves, you guys can either blame me or love me for it. That'll work. Okay. We had like a playlist that we made with a whole bunch of y'all song submissions. There it is. Chips crunch like thunder. Pickle the dog, a wiener wonder. Money done, pop, pop, make it rain. $100 bills flying like champagne. I think the selling pressure is pretty much over. Resilience just went positive on S&P, but a little bit of a delay there. Whoa, 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 whoa. Blue juice kicking in like nothing's lacking. Deep and tight round the midnight hour. Got the moves like a synthwave power. So I think we do hold this sort of 24,800 level. We might dip going into close maybe, but I think we do hold at least and consolidate closer to the highs rather than closer to the lows. Chips, but I'm still snacking. Blue juice kicking in like nothing's lacking. Deep and tight round the midnight hour. Got the moves like a synthwave power. Money done, pop, pop, make it rain. $100 bills flying like champagne. Peeing out, flashing in the neon glow. Hedge pressure rising, we're ready to go. Ready to go. Still stacking, blue juice kicking in like nothing's lacking. Defense tight round the midnight hour. Got the moves like a synthwave power. Pickle sparking under disco lights. A wiener in the groove, yeah, he's feeling right. Lady eye rings from the edge of the floor. This vibe's got. Congrats, Keith, dude. That's awesome, man. Money done, pop, pop, make it rain. Happy birthday, also. Pickles barking under disco lights. A wiener in the groove, yeah, he's feeling right. Lady eye winks from the edge of the floor. This vibe's got me begging for more. Whoa, 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 whoa. Nice little pop case to the upside, looking pretty solid today. All you bulls are looking pretty good. Look at this day, man. Instant regret not grabbing that dip though, but I'm okay. Like I'm pretty much chill for the day. Whoa, 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 whoa. This is the one moment Wall Street says, fuck your shorts. What you gonna do for your birthday, Keith? Did you miss the lifetime giveaway? It's always in the morning, yeah. It's in the mornings on the last day of the month. I found your feet pics. That's funny. That was the feet pic song. Oh dang, there we go, some green candle for y'all. I didn't even have to long and close it out. Look at that, Bulls. Look at y'all winners today. 880. Let's get it. That'd be kind of cool. Do a Here's a playlist channel. What the heck? Oh, there it is.
Giveaway Bonanza monthly riot unfolds. ETF and Tradeify prop accounts, watch the stories told. Lifetime member prize. Here's the rule that's rife. Didn't spend $1,000 with rocket scooter. Banned for life. These streams are made of these. What can max viewers believe? Giveaways
That green line that I drew, I'm just guessing. So I'm gonna tell you guys, I really don't have any theory from here. I think it's gonna go up, but it's just such a weird, choppy, untradeable day. I personally want to be touching it. This last hour can get really weird really fast. So.
Trading so easy, jokes on you. Even a blind monkey's running this zoo. Streams keep winning, tips keep winning. Catch the next giveaway if you're sticking with the mission. Trading so easy, jokes on you. Even a blind monkey's running the zoo. Streams keep spinning, tips keep winning. Catch the next giveaway if you're sticking with the mission.
There was another song.
Watch the stories told.
Been taking any trade? From here, no, man. I mean, if I were to say anything, I think it's gonna go up. I feel like it's gonna go up, but there's no really good entry from here. That's the thing. I was waiting all day for a bigger dump. Like, I didn't want to risk too much. I was waiting for like a bigger dump on this than here. I was waiting for a little bit lower. Scalping this all day.
Didn't spend $1,000 with a rocket scooter band for life.
Oh.
These dreams are made of these. What can Matt's viewers believe? Giveaways fly on the breeze. LFU and trade prop dreams. EST trades ride with ease.
End of the mint day is usually challenging. Yeah, that is true.
To the sky.
Later, J Val. See you, man. Have fun at the gym. Is the Bonanza bucket empty? Yes, sir. We wiped it out this morning. We gave away like, what, 14 prop accounts and then like 36 boot camps, and then I tweeted it. I forget how much it was.
Giveaways fly on the breeze. LFU
16 prop accounts, 32 boot camps, 4 lifetimes, and then everybody else got a lifetime discount, which, by the way, lifetime is $1,500 off until the end of the week. So our Black Friday deal, but it's $2,500 for lifetime. If you ever want to pull the trigger on that, it's normally $4,000, so that deal is very rare.
giveaways fly on the breeze. LFU and trade prop dreams. Ride the scooter, no retreat. Always a bull, never defeat. iDoc walks in, lighting up the scene. Avocado and toast for lunch. She's the trading queen. These dreams are
Market's feeling a little buoyant to close. Like higher seems like the right answer.
So easy, joke's on you.
Here's Rogue of the Lambs, awesome song. We'll hear this one again. You're gonna become a wedding DJ to play these songs at everyone's wedding? Oh, dude, you'll be a hit. Let's actually play this one. You need to cancel monthly? Yeah, if you're gonna go lifetime, you need to cancel monthly, by the way. It doesn't automatically cancel for you. It's the way the marketplace is designed.
I walk the edge with open hands, seeking truth through shifting sands. Each step a guess, each pause a prayer. The sky held firm, but thin to air. I aim with care, I move with grace, but still misread the rhythm's pace. The fall came quiet, not as a theft, just absence where the trust was left. Through the fall, we stand tall, we break like waves and still recall the flame that woke beneath the ground, the fire that fell you couldn't drown. We draw the line, we take the flame, we rise again and call it gain.
All right, guys, y'all's guess is good as mine, up or down. I don't think it's any. I could probably try to take a scalp off of this, but honestly, you know me, I don't have a short signal from here. It might drop very quick and then rally into close. That might be my call, I would say. Or I might just squeeze in the close. I feel like up is the answer today. We didn't call bear market this morning. We were very bullish all day.
The door was shut, but still we go. I move from strength, not need to prove, but meaning shifts beneath the move. The line was drawn, the echo stayed, and ghost of calls I could have made. I fell, but not from lack of will. Some lessons only bloom when still. We risk, we break, we bleed, we hold. The setup waits for hands control. We place our bets on fractured ground and build a kingdom from the trodden. Through the fall, we stand tall, we break like waves and still recall the flame that awoke beneath the ground, the fire that fell you couldn't drown. We draw the line, we take the flame, we rise again and call it gain. Not every loss begins with wrong, some breaks just build where we belong.
Song is dope, huh? Yeah, this is Rogue's song, man. Every red candle's getting bought up, so it's not really pushing too hard. The downside. In the last hour, it's just gonna flip out. So the last 10 minutes, sorry, the hour is gonna flip out. Okay. I'm gonna pick some random songs from the playlist.
Let's go. Let me see you hit that beat.
It's great to see a high consolidation, though. That's good to save the bull market. I think right now the goal is to trap all the bears trying to short at midday. Squeeze them into close. Have a consolidate here for a little bit, like, and then just pop up and fuck everybody's day up. On it, man. I bet you if you were Hugo, man, you probably made a fortune scalping all these 3 points here. Short the 846 and a half, the 845s. Dude, I bet you nobody would have predicted a day like this. It's the best trading days I've had in a while. But look at this, man. Look at this craziness. The market just fell apart pretty damn quick. I'm almost sad I didn't buy the dip on that last time there. There it is. There's the green. Let's go. There's that break. I don't have any good setups. That's why I'm not taking it. Everything is sort of just on the fence for me here. Definitely bullish mindset, but man, I would have loved to have gotten slightly lower entry. I would have rode this thing all the way back up too. That'd have been so great. All right, I have seeming like tired. I think today anything's possible. Here's a bullish move song. Oh, now it's pulling back. Weird. See, anything's possible. That's what I'm saying. The minute everybody chased that long, it just said fuck your longs and made it made the market dump. And then watch, ready? Green candle.
Green runs the game, no red in the play. Futures trading, success all around. Family, we up, no limits, no bounds. Gangsta on the floor, but my mind on the charts. Big games in the bag, yeah, we playing it smart. Trends bending knees.
The wider the base, the higher in space. I like that saying. That's pretty cool. That's a good saying.
Now I'm lit, numbers never quit. Algorithm slick, ride a wave like a ship. Pockets like a vault, cash flows legit. In the bullish market, every tick's a hit. Family eating good, every plate's gourmet. Gang stacking wins, ain't no need to delay. Generational wealth, yeah, we paving the way. Bullish mind shining brighter every day.
These are some honorable mentions from our playlist from people that wrote songs in the song submission category. I mean, song submission channel. iDoc Funk. Any alternatives for AMP? Edge Clear. Philip or Dorman. Those are like the top 4. Amp, Edge Clear, Philip, Dorman that most people use. That future stats discount code? I do, Rocket Scooter, yeah. It's 50% off right now. He has stump 2, short for a handle. Did you get those 2 points? How did y'all do today in general? Do y'all feel like y'all did all right? Hopefully y'all didn't blow up a lot. This is a tough day for a lot of people. Whoa. I think at least today, I don't know. The downside, I'm just retracing half this move up. Downside would probably stay inside of here. Again, I'm clueless on this. Sort of coin flip into the end of the day. S&P's having some fun though. There's a whole big giant green candle there. Microsoft squeezing the close. Oh yeah, dude, I don't think it's gonna give bears any out on this. I think it's gonna stay right here. I think it's gonna start expanding inside of this area here. I think my stream froze up. You guys here? Okay. I trade all my accounts separately, yeah. I have a whole system on how I do it. I never copy trade. So throughout the day when I have setups, I just rotate through different accounts. I'll trade like a handful here, a handful the next trade, a handful the next trade. I'm never throwing all the risk on the table at once. So I work it all day, Martin, to get the P&L up. It minimizes like blow-ups of all of them at once if you put all your stuff in. Like my theory, you know, if you put all your risk into one trade at one spot, then you have a higher chance of blowing everything up. Hot Doc in the house.
Well, I tried the moving averages. I tried the candles.
So I rotate accounts. I don't know FSP trades. I don't watch that guy. Basically, I have a system that if I have an A+ setup, I'll trade all but like maybe 2 or 3 of these. If I have a B setup, I'll trade 2 or 3. If I have like an A setup that's not A+, I'll trade like half. So basically, the higher the probability, the more accounts I might trade. I heard that guy just longs the market, or short. He's basically just like brute forces it. He doesn't really like do anything but keep throwing money at it until he passes. That's what people tell me. I don't watch him though. They say like if the market's falling, he just freaking blows up accounts all day until he passes a couple. That's what people say. I do what you would normally do in a regular trading account. Like I said, I've never watched him trade. That's what people said. I truly do a normal trading account, but just spread my risk out between multiple entries. So if I have like 2 or 3 really good entries near each other, I'll trade both of them. But I never like go all in with all accounts with all risk in one spot. Yeah. Thought you were gonna finally get the message Slacks. Why didn't you message Slacks? Go message him. He's probably here. Gonna open for a dip further down. Dude, I know. I feel ya. Is last night's BC posted? What does BC mean? What's up? If Liza dies, what do you mean what does a BC stand for? Oh, boot camp. No, I haven't posted it yet. Thanks for reminding me. Bro, thank you for reminding me. I'll get it posted today. That's my bad. My bad. Thank you. Speaking of, I don't think we have, I think that basically concluded the trader funding masterclass. I don't think we had enough. Really. Oh, I need to put that in there. Okay, hold on. Where the heck was it, Maine? Hold on. What's up, iDoc?
What's up, guys?
What?
Sounds weird. Thanks.
Do tell more.
Yeah. I came over, mounted over large abstract paint. Oh, and a third one. But I was so picky, I had to tell them and do it again. So
Really?
it took longer than an hour.
Where is the other boot camp class? Hold on. Hold on 1 second.
Okay.
I swear it's not in there anymore. Okay, hold on. Okay, that's one. That's actually number 21. What?
Mike is sexist. They're saying that they could hear me better and my story would be so much better if your mic didn't cut me off.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, and they're saying your mic is sexist.
The noise gate hates you. Noise gate hates you, girl. Try to get this boot camp. Oh, you have to speak directly, and I'm like, I gotta get this boot camp video. Where the heck is the other video? I swear I posted it. They posted the other one though, I think. Okay, hold on. I gotta find it. ESG every single time. Okay, and there's this one. That's weird. I swear I put it in here. Okay. All right, you guys. Sorry about that. Thanks for reminding me. 20. Trader. Okay, so we got that one and we got this one. Okay. All right.
I don't think that's Matt though.
What?
Is rs-matt your handle on Discord, or is it this another scammer?
No, that's a scammer. I'm underscore.
What do you mean short the 95s? What's that?
We need to get your confidence up.
What?
We need-
Oh, we're talking about the Hugo guy?
yeah, we need to get your confidence up.
Matt, you're not adding any value right now. Switch seats and put iDoc on the mic.
I get it with the boot camp. That's value. Y'all hurt my feelings. What the heck? Wow. That hurts, guys.
Well, I'm new content. That's why.
Gosh. They're like, did you post the boot camp? Yes, let me go post the boot camp for you. You're not adding any value.
We have eye question. Hashtag free pickle. Oh yeah, pickle's in his kennel.
Oh yeah. Are they done with anybody still here or
No,
like
everyone's gone.
Oh.
Back tomorrow. Charged me an extra $60 for being extra with him. I was like, what?
Extra what?
Yeah, so initially the agreement between TaskRabbit and me and I was $112. But because he hung it up and I didn't like the positioning, I told him to take it back down and like remeasure. It took him another 2 hours. And he's like, well, I only get like $70 from TaskRabbit, so could you just pay me a little bit more, like
How
60
much more?
bucks?
60 bucks?
60, yeah. And
Does
he
it
was-
look good?
Yeah, it looks good now.
Oh.
I had to call the interior designer and be like, hey, help me reposition this because the first time didn't look good. I was like irritated. But he's like, and I was more irritated he charged me, but at the same time I felt bad because the guy only really get only 60% of like Thumbtack and TaskRabbit things.
Mm-hmm.
So I was like, yeah, okay, here I go. Inflation sucks.
Yeah. So we said I should do a segment where you decide where it's along the market and then I manage to trade a random trading contest.
I mean, that's no better than the rat, the hamster that chose which direction the market's gonna go.
Yeah, that's true. Very true.
So if a hamster can make money and it's hard for you to lose money even if you try, then I think I can make you some money.
I'm tired.
Do I vote in the song contest? No, because my vote counts. You hear that? I thought I heard something. Ghost, see? Ghost, what the fuck? See, they saw something. Did you guys see something? I heard something.
What did it sound like?
Yeah, and
Could be the thing in the bathroom.
it wasn't a pop, 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 pop. You opened your door? Yes, see? Oh my gosh, go back to the VOD. Oh, I heard the door open. This one!
It's just slanted. Cheap labor.
See the door open. Everybody was a witness, all 578 of you.
The door moved. It
Huh.
just it just touched the thing.
Mm-hmm.
I think that's just cheap labor. Freaking door frame. Dude, there's still 40 minutes of this market. I want to take a nap, man.
I'll
Sorry.
sit you.
You don't touch anything.
Don't touch anything.
Actually, I'm gonna go eat the rest of my lunch.
I want to get my, All right, it's you and me. He said don't touch anything. What's this? What's buy market and sell market and exit at market and CXL? What's that? How about you guys teach me something about what's going on on his desk? Do what? Full port long. Hey, Kevin. Now you get me on stream, bullying his stream. Where's the high iDoc?
QTY 100 by MKT. Hey, babe, what is QTY 100 by MKT? Is it this button over here? I'm scared.
Are you kidding me?
I'm.
What part of don't touch thing? You don't understand.
But they're controlling me. Don't you know your viewers control the streamer? I'm not. I can be manipulated into doing anything. Look at all these manipulators, these toxic, gaslighting manipulators over here. It was Pickle that opened the door, and it was definitely a ghost. Yeah, I thought I heard something. He thought I was crazy. You think he'd be up a whole lot of money if I traded for him? Press something, he will love you more. It says true. Man, it's hot. Do you guys know what Matt has to go through? This is a lot of heat that's coming from his screens. Like, I feel my... What are you doing? This is my stream. Don't interrupt me. This is very rude. What are you doing at the door? If you don't provide... If you don't provide value, then get out of here.
Why is everybody picking on Matt today?
I don't know, because... Dang, look at how much money I made today, guys. Look at the P&L. Whip it out. Show me your P&L. Whip it out. How much you guys made today, huh? I bet you can't beat what I made. I'm just kidding.
What did you make?
Negative $178 to the freaking handyman.
That's better than most of these.
If there is someone in this room trying to communicate, give me a sign. Look at my crusty ass bread just flying from the... Run a giveaway? I'm so scared of saying anything like word plus giveaway because the bot's gonna pick it up and then all of a sudden the chat's just gonna be flooded with 1,000 free account, feed account.
I think it got hotter in here since we were in here.
Oh, because it's like, how? Absorbing all the cool air? Is that how it works?
Another thing to do.
Oh my god, don't start. Oh my god, Mark. I didn't say anything.
You literally said giveaway. Now you can hear the bots.
Why did they write FUNNXT though? Why specifically that? Why couldn't it be the other one? Or the look at these idiots. Victor, and that's you, Kevin, you're another one of those idiots.
No.
What about ATP? Type ATP.
You get your stream out of control. You can't let them control you.
Yeah. I'm giving out free ATPs, guys. I know you guys need it. Type ATP, free ATP.
You just seen triphosphate?
Yeah, everyone needs ATP. It's like 3 o'clock, almost 3 o'clock, and everyone's dead. Look at that. All right, I'm gonna give some free ATP. You ready? You ready? Was that worth it?
I feel it.
You felt it?
Yeah.
All that free ATP. Let me get you in the Krebs cycle, guys.
Oh shit, the citric acid cycle. Let's go.
Why do you think I was screaming ATP? There has to be some relevancy here.
Convert your NAD to NADH.
There you go. There, wow. Could you hear him? Free shit.
Did you know you have a hangover?
Uh-huh.
It's because you don't have enough water in your cells to run your Krebs cycle.
Really?
It builds up the I think it's lactic acid or whatever. Or whatever the byproduct is. That's really where hangovers come from. Your body flushes all the alcohol.
Free waifu and free love? I mean, I could definitely, I'm giving that right now. I'm giving free love to Matt. I'm giving him a break from hanging out with you guys. Can you imagine? Gosh, you sit here, talk for 8 hours. It's like, my mouth is already dry from just speaking for 15 minutes.
Is it Tuesday?
It's Tuesday. The only reason why I know that is because I have things on the calendar. Do you guys know, like, do you guys experience that? Once you get older, you forget the days of the week unless you have something on the calendar that constantly reminds you that, hey, it's Mother effing Tuesday right now. It's Wednesday. You have this at 7 o'clock. Or else I would not even know the difference between today and Sunday. Because my life's easy. Because Matt makes my life easy.
Mm-hmm.
Totally relatable. Oh, guys, funny story. So you know how I took Pickle to get retraining? Now he upgraded from a choke collar to a prong collar. By the way, I'm bringing that prong collar home so then you can use it. I mean, try it on him.
What is
no? A choke collar is just you tug at the collar and it just tugs or it just tightens around his neck. Now he's upgraded to a prong collar to enforce more behavior. Yeah, it's so funny. But anyways, he was like, the trainer was like, hey, you can take Pickle for free on the plane if you certify him as a a service dog. And then he pulled out the form and he goes like this. And the form is like way out here. And he's like trying to read it to me. And I'm looking at him and he's like, yes, sweetheart, give me a second. I'm trying to figure out like what is on this form, but this is what you need to sign. And I'm like, do you need, I'll bring you some reading glasses next time. You must be in your 50s. He's like, how'd you know, sweetheart? And I'm like, because you're tromboning your arm all the way to freaking Pluto. That's how I know you're in your 50s. He's like, hold on 1 second, sweetheart. Like, this is the guy that freaking trained Caesar Milan. Okay. He's badass. He's like the best trainer. Like, honestly, he's basically training me to raise future children through training Pickle, because he says humans and the baseline reaction of a dog and human is the same. So even he conditioned me. Like every time he clicks the clicker, I'm like salivating. Somehow he conditioned me while he conditioned Pickle. Anyways, he's just like, sweetheart, give me a second. And this is after like Pickle, blah 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 blah. Did you know? Okay. Yeah, you clean up.
From the coast.
Maid. You're my maid now.
Dude.
What?
Actually, she doesn't ever, because I don't ever have her clean up the desk because she's working.
Mhm.
But I need it.
I'm trained as my girlfriend. I was saying that he basically conditioned me, and I don't know, the way that he was talking to Pickle and doing the clicking and all the food and all the mental manipulation somehow trained me where he looked at me and I was like, huh? I myself wanted to work for treats. He's so good. He trains those dogs that sniff out drugs. He trains all those canine dogs too to do what they do. Like he's won so many awards, and he said he has like a sperm bank in the back. Let me finish.
Wait.
Let me finish, okay?
Tell me more about this.
Guys, let me finish.
She went to the right dog trainer.
It's the right dog trainer.
Right, so this guy took you in the back and showed you a sperm bank, huh?
No,
I need to use that line at the bar sometime.
I said, wait, let me finish before the internet goes freaking crazy. He says, go end with that. The sperm bank of dogs, he has like this purebred that is a highly, I don't know, wanted genetic. I can't even find the words to describe it.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah. He's like, this is like the most purebred line of this gene. It came from this particular dog and it's sold for $3 million and it's in the back for the highest bidder. And he's like, there's a market for that. And I was like, what? And he's like, why do you think that your breeder made you sign a contract to snip Pickle? It's because those genes, those purebred genes are super, valuable and expensive.
You know, when I was in college, one of my best attempts was when I was really trying to get a bar, trying to meet a girl.
Mm-hmm.
And I really tried to convince her I had a spaceship. Came back to my place and said, I really have one. Next time, I'm going to you're going to come back and see my dog, my sperm bank.
Wait, well, you told a girl when you were going on dates that you had a spaceship at home?
Like I was at a bar hitting on a girl and I was trying to convince her I really had a spaceship. I almost had her believing me.
How? Are you that convincing, or is she an idiot? Have you been dating idiots until you met me?
But that's what I'm saying. That line is, I should probably replace the spaceship gag with the,
yeah.
Come back. I totally got a sperm bank at home.
Nah, he got really smart with me. You think I would fall for that shit? Nah, he was like, come over to my place. I've never met you.
And the girl,
I have tequila. I was Uber black. I just went straight there.
To be serious about it, I was like, no, I got a spaceship. Like, you know, it wasn't just like, no, I really do. I was like, I tell you I have a spaceship. I've been to space like plenty of times. She's like, really? What's your favorite planet? All of them.
I really think that you dated an idiot, and for you not to realize that yourself.
I didn't date anybody. I was
You were talking to an idiot.
I was macking. Yeah, no.
Don't convince yourself that you're good at convincing women to fall for even the stupidest thing. You just had an idiot in front of you.
Yeah, I just remember that was one attempt, and I was on the fly.
Yeah.
I basically told my friends like, hold my beer, watch this.
Matt was just running his game.
It didn't work at the end of the day, but I got some laughs out of it. So.
What did you say to iDoc the first time? The first time when?
The first
time we met? I thought his name was Roger the first time we met. Actually.
What's that?
Oh, can I take a swig? No, really? Actually,
Basic.
I don't remember what your first message to me
Wow,
was.
guys, look at that market going.
Wow, guys, look at that market
You should help them with their
rally.
You should help them with talking about the market.
Can you whisper in my ear since they can't hear you since it's a dynamic mic? Look, guys, this shit's going up.
Fuck yo.
Fuck yo shorts. Whoever's shorting is a D bag. Yeah.
Not bad.
T told her quantity 100 by market.
Yeah, that's what I told you to do earlier. 100 quantity by market. Basically, they told you to buy full all in.
Oh. This is the commentary I pay for. Wait, you pay for what? This is free, isn't it? You get me for free?
I'll tell them that I have and they have to pay. Shut up.
The law told you can't convince them that they have to pay. Um, 233.
It's 2:30.
Yeah.
It is dragging. Hold on.
That means they're not entertaining you?
No.
No.
I'm like so tired today.
Did you stay up late last night?
I was up. I got up at 4 to talk to that team.
Do the drawing? Oh, how do I draw? Can I draw on the chart? Because you can erase it, right? I promise it won't be any genital parts. Is it this thing?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
You have to draw slow though because the thing is buggy.
Okay.
It'll skip steps.
Guys, these are trend lines.
Wait a minute.
Yeah, if you see that?
Wait.
You see?
Wait a minute. What's that?
You see that?
I think today, guys, it looks like what the heck, dude? Why is this like everybody pick on Matt Day today? Chat, what did I do? What did I do wrong?
I'm just following the trends of the market. Look at that.
Matt's sucking? What is the
It literally follows the trend lines. Seriously, does that not? No? No. How
Matt
to
sucking?
Matt Suggis? It's you need are you doing boot camp?
We're done.
We're done. So is she a doctor? Shut up, Michael. Who asked you? What's your MOC prediction?
That's all we need to talk about. I think consolidating high.
It's consolidating high.
Might try to sell a little bit.
It might try to sell a little bit.
But I think we hold yesterday's close.
But I think we hold yesterday's close.
Yeah,
that's it. We're done. Yeah. Tell Matt I am full port hood and okay, I don't
Volunteer? LTR?
Yeah.
I didn't even read it. I just knew what he was trying to say. I can't even see it. He's bought. Hood is Robin Hood. LTR is Pound.
Ah. Monday EQ iDoc. What is Monday EQ? What's Monday EQ? What's EQ? Monday EQ, unless you spelled that wrong.
Press Control Alt Delete.
Draw the whoosh fan?
Oh yeah, I want to see you draw a whoosh fan.
Okay.
No, you gotta put it underneath. If
Okay.
you draw in the wrong spot, you're gonna crash the market to everybody. Put it underneath the stuff.
Who's in a trade right now? Right here? Draw like below here? You want to blow this up, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, I'm drawing you guys a whoosh fan.
I said a whoosh fan, not a whoosh potato. Like, what is this?
This is a whoosh fan. Okay, and then I have to draw the little buttons.
This looks like a freaking Plumbus from Rick and Morty.
What do you mean? It's in a. This is Picasso. Is that an eye? It's pretty whooshy. It's so whooshy. The fan itself looks like it's falling over. Where are y'all from? Me? I'm Vietnamese, but I was born here.
Texas.
Oh, Texas.
Ah.
She can't draw anything but eyes.
This looks like an eye with some eyelashes.
Why do you guys keep? I've seen 4 people ask me to draw Matt's nuts. Like,
wait, draw my nuts?
draw his nuts. What makes you think I know what his nuts look like? Yeah.
I can't believe it's not like 2:30. It's not 3 o'clock already, and it's Tuesday.
What's so different about Tuesday? Oh, you know why? It's because you made all this money early in the day, and so you're like now waiting and waiting and waiting.
Patient.
Bro, she drew the eye of Sauron. Oh, is that the ring precious, that movie?
How you talking? That's the question.
What? If I don't know, I'm just gonna act it out. She told us he don't have any nuts. I never said that. I just said, well, I think I know what it looks like. EOMs, extraocular muscles, superior oblique lateral rectus, LR6 SO4 3. Inferior rectus, superior rectus, lateral rectus. Come on, they are all extraocular muscles. EOMs.
You know, orange vanilla Coke is very redundant. If you guys know, like Coke.
Oh, we had this discussion.
We had this discussion the other day.
Yeah, Coke is made from orange.
Orange limeade.
Cinnamon.
Yeah, it's orange lemon or orange lemon. That's right. Cinnamon and vanilla. So orange vanilla Coke is just Coke with more orange and vanilla. It's already orange.
Mm-hmm.
Why? Not like they added it. Just add a little.
I understand.
To the market.
What did I do? I crashed it. What's your real Discord name? RS Matt.
It's very, just tell them very like easily. Like, I will never message any of them. I don't like them that much.
You will never message anybody. So if anybody's messaging you about anything, a course, or even being in love with you, please don't respond.
Yeah, I don't say that.
Yeah. He doesn't even respond to my Discord messages.
No. Dang, look at that end of the day candle there. That's okay.
Look at that end of the day candle there, guys.
I think it's almost time to get a new one of these. Look at this.
Why? Okay, why is it like that? How close are you mouthing onto
That's
this?
years and years of like just being in it. I think it's like a decade old.
Ew. So when you got a new mic, you didn't get a new mic, did you?
No, I've had the whole thing for this mic I've had for probably 6-7 years.
Well, if you break this, you can take mine. The one that you bought me, would it do the same exact thing?
What? You don't ever really break it. Mics don't really.
Well, I mean, this thing looks kind of gross.
That thing costs like $2 though. Mics are very simple. Actually, a mic is a very simple device, so it's very hard to break.
I broke the Yeti one. That's why you went and bought me the Rode
Those
one.
new USB, the analog mic. This is like a freaking mic and a speaker are the same thing. It's a coil, wire, and a fucking magnet. That's it. It's hard to break that. Your USB with the fancy LEDs and all that crazy stuff. Yeah, that's got electronics. These things are pretty much straight up analog.
You guys are really hating on my fan. This is like...
Because the thing is horrible.
They said that I drew it too close, that the blade cut and sliced up the candle.
That's
and
exactly
so now
what you did.
I'm sorry. My bad.
Exactly what you did.
Doc, you should come more often. I'm here every day, actually. He just hogs the mic and he doesn't want to share
put a
me.
second camera on the screen that
You can actually. You just call me on Discord and then just cast that. And then I'll answer all your eye questions, I guess.
to tell everybody the beast.
Okay. Tamar beat the beast starting with ETF.
You have to get your account using code RocketScooter.
You have to get your account using code RocketScooter. And
if you get $500 in profit.
if you get $500 in profit,
It's different.
you get entered into a raffle. How about that, guys?
Start tomorrow morning.
Start tomorrow morning. Or starting tomorrow morning?
Good.
Oh, thank you. Dave Van isn't wishing any. Okay, I'm gonna jinx that wish.
I'm gonna tell you how horrible your fan is. You delete that terrible thing.
I'm sorry.
Look at that. I told you. Look, I fucking told you. You gotta be very careful with that magic fan drawing.
Will the raffle prizes be announced ahead of time?
They haven't announced it.
No. What prop? ETF.
Elite trader funding.
Elite trader funding. So SPX closed around yesterday's high.
That's a good.
And give it back to you. You can have them.
What was it?
I hate that there's no music. This is weird.
Oh yeah.
Maybe that's why I'm like awkward right now.
Yeah. How's that explain on the other? Oh, close around yesterday's high. I would say probably close below.
What is that chart?
This S&P future hourly. Oh, sorry, close around yesterday's high. Ooh. Probably lower. Yesterday. Okay. Hop out. You can sit with me if you want. Like, I started getting fatigued like an hour ago, man. Oh, that would have been a great short setup. Why didn't you short?
Because you don't do that.
What? I'm proud of you. She didn't short the 885s, guys. She's got a lot of confidence, though. Somebody drew Kasu. Drew the whoosh fan a little backwards. Okay, let me teach you the art form of drawing the whoosh fan. Okay, ready? Number one. Get up in there. Like, don't be afraid. Like, get up in there. Ready? Watch this.
I did. I sliced it up.
Also, it's pointing in a direction. It's not a circle because it's not pointed out. You gotta get the whole angle going on here. Watch this. And you gotta get the blades. Like, you know, it's spinning like this. So let's get some blades going on. Mm-hmm. You gotta have like the little fan base. Like this. A really strong base. If you need like some extra power, watch. Give it some whoosh like this. And also, if you really want to make an effect, watch this. Sometimes you can get a big plug and like plug it into the wall. And then once you plug it into the wall, it like super power. Watch this. Watch that green candle. If you do it just right, that market's gonna just fly. You know.
How did I not know? How do I know that you didn't already know it was gonna go up? And you just did that at the right time while it was on its way up. And you made...
That just means I'm really good at predicting the market, which I'm pretty good at this. But I just got lucky. I was gonna take some credit for this. I know this looks great, but I just got lucky.
I sold all your floodlights.
How much?
$10 each.
What? $10 each?
Mm-hmm.
Those bulbs are $100 each.
They were selling and someone else was selling it for $5 each. The second market for it is actually really low. Like you resell it. They weren't 100 actually. I looked it up. It wasn't 100. I didn't give them a 90% discount. I'll show you.
Wait, Philips Hue bulbs are like $100 each. Those
Yeah,
ones.
I'll show you.
Which one did you look up? The colored ones or the black and white
the
ones?
colored ones. Colored
What?
ones. They were not $100. I promise you.
Look. Look. All right, let's see if they have them. Mofo, they were $150 for a pack of 2.
Pack of 4.
Or a pack of, okay, pack of 4, sorry. So that's really how much they lose value?
Yeah. You can go on the marketplace right now.
Hold on. These are the BR30s. I don't think these are the ones I got. Mine are the soft light.
No, it
So
has color.
Flood, no, there's fill lights and there's flood lights. Let me see. These are the ones I had. The 4-pack is $150, and you sold the 4-pack for $20.
$10 each, so you got $60 for it.
$10 times 4 is $40.
Mm-hmm.
So this is $160 after tax. So that's the market. Dang. Hold on, what about the chandelier bulbs?
I didn't sell those.
Okay, it's like $50. Yeah, these are like $60 a piece. Dang, are you kidding? So don't ever buy Philips Hue bulbs at full price. Oh, that's disappointing.
Don't buy it. You can literally get Govee lights for really cheap too. And because they're LED or whatever, they don't actually break.
I shouldn't have bought all these things new back in the day. This is from my old office. I used to have, before I bought the lighting rig, I used to have those in the ceiling. That would
So
create.
you bought one for $100 each back in the days.
No, I think they were probably like 150 for a 2-pack when I did buy them.
So now you get double the amount price. Means, yeah, it went down in value.
I don't think I remember completely, but I remember spending. I remember when I would check out and buy them. I always remember it was 100. I don't remember if it was 1, 2, or 4, but whatever I bought was always like 150 or $200.
It could have been your the lights that go behind your TV. Those, it's hard for me to sell them close to. Even if I'm doing 50% off of them, people are not buying it.
Oh yeah, Hue was pretty expensive to tie up when it first came out. That's true, because those are like 7 years old. So this is my old office lights. So here I have like the soft blue and purple and orange lighting. Before I got these really expensive rigs, I had just bought the bulbs, put them in there, and I would change. And they really wouldn't light up the room. They would just add some kind of like glowy shadow to stuff.
So how long ago did you have those bulbs?
That was before, that was when I had my apartment like 6 years ago, 7 years ago.
Guys, I think we're lucky to even get our money back.
That was one other house ago and then an apartment ago. Yeah.
Yeah, you're okay with letting those go for $10. The guy was in college.
Yeah.
He wanted to throw a Halloween party, so it's fine.
Dang, y'all, look at this. Look at this mofo. All right, MOC right now. MOC is on.
That.
Exactly what you see right now. This is where the market starts to pick up some steam. That's you guys are right. That is yesterday's close. Y'all are a lot closer than I thought y'all be. E40, 50 points in the end. Now we're dumping to MOC, yeah. I need to get bulbs that change the color green or red based on the chart. Oh, that'd be beautiful. Like if it's the market's dying, all these lights were to turn red behind me.
Oh, that would be awesome.
Easy. I can see that this is planted a little bit to the left. Oh, it's just cricket. No, I'm tired.
I mean that.
I'm in a great mood. I made a pretty decent day, but
Yeah. Are you supposed to make that much?
oh yeah, no, that one I can make that much in.
Oh, okay.
A slightly fatter matte mask for Halloween. Is there a place you can get custom masks made?
I don't want to spend on that.
That'd be awesome.
I don't want to like have a memory of you looking like that.
Dang, guys, look at this. Look at that. Bear market be damned. Well, rip bears. The only thing I regret is not being long at the lower low I was waiting for. Why can I get my Nasdaq A pluses today? Although I could have taken the 1B, but I think after taking it so much, I was like, let's get the better setup. JD Vance meme mask? Oh, like the big fat red face one? Should you have... Okay, this isn't eligible. When I go to payment, it's there. Quick question. Wait, hold on. Mix is what? Should we have to pay activation fee on diamond hands? I think so. But go to the website and see if it says you have to pay an activation fee. That I don't know. Volunteer was sent you to jail for that one. Dang, even like while we were sitting there, that was a decent. But again, resilience is not positive, so I wasn't really like enticed to take it. But look at that, you got 40 points in 10 minutes. This was awesome.
Congrats, Chiefs. Have you ever traded? Does investing in Boo count? Boo ETFs count as
Wow, Boo? Not bad. That's trading.
Oh. I mean, it's like whenever I have extra money, I just buy that. And then I sit there forever. And come back a year later to find that, oh, I have more money in this account.
Thank you, Eli. Eli answered your question about ETF, the diamond hands. Okay. Dang, look at this. Oh shoot, I have Nasdaq in both places. What's wrong?
Are you trading right now?
Nope. No trading. Wow. Okay, y'all. That's it. We'll see y'all on the flip side. I'm gonna close out. This market's going to the moon. We'll see y'all later, friends. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget, Beat the Beast tomorrow with ETF. It's gonna be fun. And use code Rocket Scooter across the board. Don't forget, My Funded Futures had a... I think actually the flash sale was over today at noon. No, sorry. My Funded Futures, the flash sale ends at midnight. You get 50% off your first account as a new user. It's pass one or buy one, get one 25% off for existing users. Yeah, we'll see y'all later, guys. Adios.